Jason, how are you?
Best day of my life. Guess what we're gonna go do?
What?
We're about to head out and look at one of the coolest pieces of roofing equipment on the planet. What is this thing?
This is called the Equipter.
Okay.
Probably the best tool a roofing crew can have.
Best tool a roofing crew can have.
Best tool.
What does it do?
Start of the day, you can kind of work like a trailer. You can load all the plywood and tarps into it and bring them to the job.
Okay.
And then with the tear off, it helps all the tear off guys from cleanup, keeps the grounds cleaner, it's more time efficient, makes the job easier.
Any advantage to it safety wise?
Well, let's say we got a steep pitch. Let's say it's a 12 or whatever. Instead of having to set up a pick and everything, you can always just have the Equipter in that section. So for prepping, it makes prepping easier. It makes starting the bottom rows of for the shinglers easier.
You said 12-12. What is that?
A 12-12 is a roof that rises 12 inches for every 12 inches across, so it gets steep.
Okay, so it's a steep roof because the pitch is 12 inches up for every 12 inches across?
Correct.
Okay. Johnny, what you said, instead of setting up a pick, you can raise this up and the roofers can start the shingles from there. What's a pick?
A pick would be to where we have to get down two of the ladders. We set up 2 ladders, and then it's like a beam that you set across on the pick up towards the bottom of the roof.
Oh, so this is a lot safer than setting a pick then?
I see it safer and it's more time efficient.
A lot more efficient.
This is the steering to turn left and right. This is to go back and forth. Then you got this one to raise the back of the Equipter up. This one raises the front of it. And then this can make it go out and come back in. And then you always got this one at the very end to open up the tailgate of it.
So this thing opens and turns and moves in all kinds of directions.
Yeah.
Okay. What are these levers for?
These will lift and raise the hydraulic legs.
So what do those do?
For when you're raising the Equipter higher in the air, it helps keep it stabilized so that way it won't tip over.
Oh, so it's not sitting on its tires, it's actually sitting on like those big feet right there.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, it makes the job a lot easier.
Imagine this helps a lot with cleanup, doesn't it?
Definitely. Even at the end of the day, we'll drive the Equipter around, open up the tailgate, so that way we can just throw the tarps right in there instead of having to load them right into the dump.
Oh, okay, so you can empty the tarps right into this and drive the mess back over to the dumpster.
Yep.
Awesome. Thanks, Johnny. Appreciate your time today.